Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making eggless Black Forest cupcakes. The chocolate and cherry really complement the eggless chocolate cake, and these cupcakes are perfect for any celebration. So without further ado, let's get baking. To make this recipe, we will need eggless chocolate cupcakes. I have a recipe for eggless chocolate cake. The link for that is in the description box. This recipe makes around 12 cupcakes. You will also need some finely chopped cherries, some chopped chocolate. I am using semi-sweet, but you can also use dark chocolate. Some halved cherries and some whipped cream. First, you will take a piping bag and you will cut a little bit off the tip. And then you can take a coupler and you can place the first part of it into the piping bag. I am using a Wilton number 21 piping tip, so you can place that on top of the coupler and screw it on. And you will take a tall glass and place the piping bag in. You will just fold the sides of the piping bag over the glass. To the piping bag, we will start adding some whipped cream. And then you will pick up the piping bag and you can take away the glass. You will just fold up the piping bag and you can push the whipped cream down and then you will just twist it. Then you will take a few of the cupcakes and you can place them on a plate. You can use another piping tip or an apple corer, which is what I am using, to create holes in the middle of each cupcake. Make sure that the holes do not reach the bottom. Then we will add in some of the finely chopped cherries in the hole. Over the cherries, you can make a very thin layer of whipped cream. And you will sprinkle just a little bit of the chopped chocolate. Then, using the piping bag, you can make swirls on top of the cupcakes. After piping some whipped cream on each cupcake, you can place a half cherry on the top. And then you can sprinkle a little bit of chocolate. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.